Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make money online with print-on-demand dropshipping business. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Let's start by learning about print-on-demand dropshipping. In simple words, it's a way to sell things like clothes and accessories with your designs without actually having the items physically with you or having to ship them yourself. So how does it work? First, you create an online store. Then, you connect with a supplier who handles everything else. Whenever someone buys from your store, the order goes straight to the supplier. They print your design on their products, package it, and send it to your customer with your store's name on it. You set the price for the product in your store, a part of which goes to the supplier, and the rest is your profit. Let's look at an example shortly. Overall, this means you can build your brand and run a store without investing in inventory. Products are only made when someone orders them. So, it's a digital business model. All you need is creativity and a plan to promote your store. If you're excited about this idea but don't know where to start, don't worry. I will guide you through all the steps you need to take. Even if you're completely new to selling online or designing, don't fret. This tutorial is beginner-friendly. Before we start breaking down each step, we will need a platform for creating our online store and a print-on-demand supplier for our products. For setting up the online store, we will use Shopify. It's an amazing and user-friendly e-commerce platform suitable for both beginners and experts. With Shopify, we will design and manage the website. If you already have a Shopify store, that's great. If you don't have one, it is easy to create one. Next, we will link Shopify with Printify. Click on Add Apps from your left on the Shopify store. Here, click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for Printify. This platform will provide blank products, print our designs, and ship the final product directly to the customer. If you're not familiar with Printify, it's a well-known platform for print-on-demand dropshipping. Here, click on the Install button to get the app. Then, again click on Install. Based on my research, it offers the best balance of product pricing and quality, which is necessary for profitability. Printify has a wide catalog of clothes, accessories, and home and furniture items like pillows and posters. Now, go ahead and add your email address and password for account creation. You can also continue with your Google account for easy sign-up. Once it is added, go to your Shopify store and in a new tab, open Printify.com. Here, click on Start for free. Sign up by adding your email address or selecting your Google account. Once done, click on I'm not a robot and click on Sign up. Then select I have my e-commerce store since we're creating one. Choose Start my first online business as your objective. If you need help with designing products, you can select that option. Let Printify know that you found out about them through YouTube. Printify will then ask you what you would like to do next. I recommend ordering a sample to test the product quality firsthand. This way, you can ensure you're selling the best products on your online store. First, let's connect your store to Printify so I can show you how this setup works. Here, click on Open Full Site. This is how we will sync the products directly to our Shopify store. Now, you will have access to Printify inside the Shopify dashboard. Anytime a customer orders in your store, it will be automatically sent to Printify to fulfill and ship to the customer. You don't have to do anything else. Your focus will be on driving traffic to your store and generating sales. Now, let's create some products. Go to the catalog section. Now click on one of the items you like, for example, a t-shirt. Choose a provider and scroll down. Then click Start Designing. Here, select Explore Myself. You can now design the front and back sides of your product. On your left, you will have various options to design your product. You can text and upload pictures as a design. You will see multiple color options. From here, you can add graphics and templates to your product. You can use pre-made templates or head over to canva.com to get creative. So open a new tab and search for canva.com. It's an easy-to-use design platform with a library of photos, elements, and effects. Go to the Create a Design option from your top right corner. Select the option of T-shirt as we're designing one. Now go ahead and design it by adding templates, shapes, graphics, or whatever you want. You can also add text or a logo to customize it. When designing your T-shirts, ensure your files have a resolution of at least 300 ppi and export them with a transparent background. Save your designs in the sRGB color profile to maintain color consistency during printing. So click on the Share button, then go to Download. Once you've made designs you're happy with, go back to Printify and add them to your products. For that, click on the Upload option. Select My Device and locate that file from your device. Upload your design file to Printify and adjust sizing and placement. Rotate it and fix it on your product. Repeat the same process for both the front and back sides of your product. Then, click on the variations to select the variants that you want to offer. Now select variations of sizes and colors. Preview mockups with models to see how they will look in real life in different colors. Then, save your settings. Choose mockups to display in your store and provide a title, description, tags, select size variants, and set prices. The retail price is what you will charge in your store, and the profit is what you will keep after paying Printify for production costs. Leave all other settings as they are for now. If you don't want to publish the product, you can save it as a draft. Repeat this process to add more products. Once done, back to Shopify. Click on Products to see what's been added. You can edit titles, descriptions, prices, and images here. Once your website is ready, every order will be automatically handled by Printify. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.